Kidneys are dying. 10 weird signs of kidney damage. You're walking around drinking your water, going about your day, and you have no idea your kidneys might already be failing. No pain, no symptoms, until it sits too late. By the time most people realize they have kidney damage, their kidneys are already functioning at less than 30% of their full ability. And here's the scariest part. Your body does give you signals, but they're weird, easy to miss, and most people ignore them. So today we're exposing 10 strange signs your kidneys are in trouble and 9 ways to protect them before it's too late. 1. You're always tired, but you slept well. You went to bed on time. You slept through the night, but somehow you wake up feeling like you ran a marathon. That heavy, sluggish, foggy feeling might not be from stress or poor sleep. It could be your kidneys. Kidneys produce a hormone called erythropoietin. It helps your body make red blood cells. When your kidneys start to fail, they stop producing enough of it. That means fewer red blood cells to carry oxygen, which means your brain and muscles aren't getting the energy they need. It feels like burnout, but it's really anemia caused by kidney problems. If you're tired all the time and can't explain why, get your kidneys checked. 2. You stir freezing. Even when it sips warm, you're bundled up in a hoodie while everyone else is wearing t-shirts. Feeling cold all the time is another sign of anemia, and as we just mentioned, that anemia could be caused by kidney malfunction. It's not just a quirk of getting older, it could be your kidneys warning you they can't keep up. 3. Shortness of breath, with no clear cause. You're not climbing mountains, you're not running marathons, and yet you feel winded. If your kidneys can't filter fluid properly, that extra fluid can back up into your lungs. The result? You feel like you can't get enough air. Worse, you might also have low red blood cell count from poor kidney function, which means your body gets even less oxygen. This isn't just inconvenient, it can become dangerous fast. If you're feeling breathless without a good reason, talk to a doctor and ask for a kidney function test. 4. Dry, itchy skin. That one set go away. You've tried the lotion, you've changed soaps, you've done everything, but the itching won't stop. This isn't said about dry weather. Kidneys help regulate your body's mineral and nutrient levels. When they start to fail, that balance goes haywire. You can develop mineral imbalances that cause skin irritation, especially phosphorus and calcium imbalances. Your skin gets dry, flaky, sometimes cracked, and the itching can be relentless. If you have chronic dry skin that just won't go away, and nothing seems to help, it could be your kidneys calling for help. From to swollen ankles, feet, or hands. Your socks leave deep marks. Your shoes feel tight. Your rings won't come off. That sep's not just a sign of salt or heat. It's a sign your kidneys aren't removing fluid properly. When kidney function drops, excess sodium and fluid build up in your tissues. That leads to swelling, especially in the lower legs and hands, known as edema. And here's where it gets tricky. Swelling can also be caused by heart failure or liver disease, so it's often misdiagnosed. But if your feet, hands, or face puff up regularly, don't assume it's nothing. It's a possible red flag your kidneys are overloaded. 6. Puffy eyes, especially in the morning. You wake up and look in the mirror, and your eyes are swollen like you've been crying. No tears, no sadness, just puffiness. This could be due to protein leaking through your kidneys. Healthy kidneys keep essential proteins, like albumin, in your bloodstream. Damaged kidneys let them escape into your urine. That loss of protein can lead to swelling, especially around the eyes. If your eyes are regularly puffy in the morning and there's no clear cause, it could be a hidden sign of kidney trouble. 7. Bad breath or metallic taste. Brushing doesn't help. Mints don't help. You've got bad breath, and sometimes food just tastes off. This is called uremia, when toxins build up in your blood because your kidneys can't filter them out. Those toxins can affect your taste buds and your saliva. Food tastes metallic or bitter. Breath starts to smell like ammonia. People with kidney disease often lose their appetite because of it. Even their favorite foods don't taste right anymore. If you're losing your sense of taste and noticing bad breath, especially with other symptoms, it might not be your mouth, it might be your kidneys. 8. Peeing more or less than usual. Here's something most people don't talk about. changes in urination can be one of the first signs of kidney issues. You might start peeing more often, especially at night, or you might pee less than usual, with darker or foamy urine. Pain while urinating, burning sensations, all of these could point to kidney problems, especially if you don't have a urinary tract infection. Don't ignore changes in your pee. Your kidneys are in charge of making it. If something's off, they're likely involved. 9. Foamy, frothy, or bloody urine. Foam in the toilet isn't just about the pressure of your stream. If your urine looks bubbly, like beer foam, that could be protein leaking from your kidneys. Blood in your urine, meanwhile, is always serious. It could mean kidney stones, infection, or even a tumor. Don't dismiss it as a fluke. If you see foam or blood in your urine even once, get checked. 10. Trouble sleeping, for no reason. You're tossing and turning. You're waking up randomly. You feel exhausted but can't get rest. Chronic kidney disease can lead to a buildup of toxins in your blood that disrupt your natural sleep cycles. It can even contribute to sleep apnea, a condition where your breathing starts and stops while you sleep, often without you even realizing. Loud snoring, daytime fatigue, restless nights, all of them could be tied back to your kidneys. Now that you've seen the 10 signs, here's what you can do about it. 9 ways to protect your kidneys before it's too late. 1. Drink the right amount of water. Your kidneys need water to flush out toxins. But here's the thing, too much or too little water can harm them. Aim for 4-6 glasses of water a day, unless your doctor tells you otherwise. If you're sweating a lot or live in a hot climate, you might need more. Don't force gallons down just because someone on the internet said so. Your kidneys don't need overload, they need balance. 2. Don't overuse painkillers. Over-the-counter pain meds like ibuprofen and naproxen can hurt your kidneys over time, especially if you take them daily or long-term. Even aspirin, in large amounts, can put stress on your kidneys. Only take these medications when necessary and talk to your doctor about safer alternatives if you need pain relief regularly. 3. Stay active and keep your blood pressure in check. Exercise helps your blood pressure, and healthy blood pressure helps your kidneys. You don't have to be an athlete. Walking, biking, gardening, it all helps. And if you already have high blood pressure, take it seriously. It's one of the biggest causes of kidney damage. Take your meds, check your pressure, and stay consistent. 4. Eat foods that support kidney health. Think fresh, think colorful, think balanced. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein can all help. Cut down on salt, sugar, red meat, and highly processed foods. They're hard on your kidneys. And go easy on foods super high in potassium and phosphorus. If your doctor tells you to, your kidneys might not be able to process them well. 5. Use antibiotics only when truly needed. Antibiotics can be life-saving, but overuse damages kidneys. Never self-prescribe, never finish someone else's prescription, and never take antibiotics for viruses like colds or the flu. They won't help and they'll just add stress to your kidneys. Always follow your doctor's instructions to the letter. 6. Control your blood sugar. Diabetes is the #1 cause of kidney failure worldwide. High blood sugar destroys the tiny blood vessels in your kidneys over time. If you're diabetic, control your A1C, check your levels often, and stick to your treatment plan. Your kidneys depend on it. If you're not diabetic, avoid extreme sugar intake and get tested regularly if you're at risk. 7. Don't overuse supplements. More isn't always better, especially when it comes to supplements. Too much protein powder, too many vitamins, herbal teas, detox drinks, all these things can push your kidneys into overdrive. Check labels. Talk to a doctor. Be smart about what you're putting in your body. 8. Quit smoking and cut down on alcohol. Smoking shrinks blood vessels. Alcohol stresses your filtration system. Both can directly damage your kidneys and indirectly hurt your heart and liver, which also affect your kidneys. If you smoke, get help quitting. If you drink, stay moderate. 9. Get your kidneys tested, especially if you're over 60. Simple blood and urine tests can catch kidney problems early. If you're over 60, diabetic, hypertensive, or have a family history of kidney disease, get tested at least once a year. It's painless, it's quick, and it might save your kidneys before symptoms even begin. Your kidneys work 24/7 to keep you alive. Don't wait until they're barely working to start caring for them. Watch the next video or subscribe for more life-saving health tips.